My name is Dulce Carranza and I live in Cabo San Lucas. Namaste. My name is Dulce Carranza and I'm a yoga teacher and I live in Cabo San Lucas. Today we're going to see chair pose or Utkatasana. We're going to start, remember our foundations from mountain pose? We're going to do pretty much the same. So we're going to put our little toes together and the heels should be one thumb apart or two fingers. Engage your thighs. Now, stand up straight. Inhale. From here, you see what my pelvis tilt? Well, we need to tilt it back. So this way we will engage our core. From here, thighs are engaged, core is engaged, and look at your toes. So that way you're not bending and hurting your knees. So take a good look at your toes, sink down, try to put your tailbone to your heels, open your chest, engage your core. Ooh, it's a fiery pose. Spread wide open those fingers and remember to keep space between your ears and your shoulders. Exhale, come up. Inhale. Take a good look at your toes. Engage your core. Sit down. Exhale, come up. Good. One more thing. If your knees hurt, you can always choose to open with a board and come. That's pressure on your knee. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing but with blocks. This immediately will engage your thighs. We'll rotate them. From here, the right way to block is going like this. So you see, tuck your pelvis, engage your thighs, open the chest, and sink down. Make sure you can look at your toes. Good job. Excellent.